To begin, you will need to access the System Configuration tool. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and typing Run in the search bar, then typing msconfig and pressing Enter. Alternatively, you can right-click on System Configuration in the search results and select Run as Administrator. Once the System Configuration window is open, navigate to the Boot tab. Within the Boot tab, locate and click on the Advanced Options button. In the Advanced Boot Options window, you will find a checkbox labeled Number of Processors. Check this box. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to it and select the maximum number of cores your CPU has. For example, if your computer has 4 cores, select 4. It is worth noting that enabling all CPU cores might improve performance if your hardware supports it. However, if your hardware does not support this configuration, you may not observe a significant difference. After selecting the number of processors, click OK in the Advanced Boot Options window, then click Apply and OK in the System Configuration window. You will be prompted to restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, all the CPU cores on your Windows machine should be enabled. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.